more blue ones. But first, we're about to vacuum this thing out before we put these new mats in here, because I don't want this to go over the dirt. Let's get it. Bam. Just like that, with the power of editing, it is in. Yeah, it still got a dark theme to it. Check out the back. You got the rear. Probably can't see it really. You can see them damn see them diamonds in there though. They're red. Red matches. 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 That's all. Check out the driver's side. And again, with the power of editing, we're on the driver's side. Look at this. Yeah. Kind of tucked mine up under here. Up under there, I just tucked it hard as I could. Kind of hard because it's just tight as hell. Tried to tuck it up under here too, bitch. Tried to tuck it up under here too, but it didn't work out for me. It's not as long, I guess. But the biggest issue I had was with my bass knob. Trying to get back behind it, because when they installed it, they pulled it so close to that, so close up in there that I couldn't get there. But I eventually got it in. And in the rear. Boom. Yes, sir. I gotta get in the light and show you something in the light, but you know inside my car it's all dark, so it's not like it's able to be seen anyway. So, that being said, man, it's your boy Him Too Wavy. Like I say, had to get that stuff to match, man. Nice day outside, it's sunny. Look at that, look at the sun, look at the sun. Look at it. Look at the sun. It's out today. That's why I'm starting dark, so I'm gonna turn this way so the sun can give me some light. But yeah, man, I don't know, give me your opinion on it, likes, dislikes, leave in the description. I left that promo code, or discount code. I put that up at the beginning of the video, so I might put it up one more time right here. I won't. I don't want to bore you with the same thing that I just did already. But other than that, man, we're gonna get it ready. We're gonna keep moving, staying ready. We ain't gotta get ready. Check out the wicker bill. Check out the wicker bill. I know y'all seen it before, but it's okay. We in here. Other than that, man, I'm out. Deuces before I start to babble. I'm gone. Don't want to bore you.